I think your donut's flat.
I think it's stale.
Thing looks flat. I feel bad. Let's help him.
God.
Help us, dude.
Me helping him by myself. What good's that?
Look at that foot.
You're the fucking weirdest fucking kid I ever met.
You still want this? Or can I throw it out?
You can chug it.
Why is this donut red?
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do that.
I think you fixed it.
Pretty shitty ass guy. Yeah.
I feel bad for this guy.
After you jack his car up, I'm not gonna get my nice John. You just jack mine up.
Wait, you have a jack in here? Why don't you give it to him?
Because he looks like he's having fun.
He probably hasn't had a workout in a while.
I can tell by them high ass socks.